Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, camera not working on Windows 11 fix. First method is click Start, Settings, click Privacy and Security. Click Camera. Turn on Camera Access. Turn on Let's Apps access your camera. Second method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand camera, right-click camera, click Uninstall device. Third method is open any browser. Search with laptop model name. Select camera driver, click download. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.